Hi guys, keeps on falling. Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a sound with making a Lamborghini sound with a can, as you could see in the title. And gotta give it a crease right there. Gotta take off that thing right there. And the best way to do this, you can check out Aiden Baczynski's channel. He did that one. I'm giving him all the credit for it. So here we go. What's this? So you gotta get it. You gotta make it a crease, and then you gotta go like this. Ooh. He's gonna try and do it.
So you want to keep it upside down? You want to get it upside down like this, and just go.
Ooh. 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 I think you gotta crease it that better. Ooh. Ooh.
So that's how you do it. And please like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. And I hope you like it. Everyone, have a good day.